Welcome, folks, to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making no-bake pineapple cream cheese pie. It's simple, delicious, and we're going to do it now. But first I want to tell you the story behind this pie. 40 years ago or more, when we first married, in my town there was a man called the Pie Man. And he used to have a trailer in my area, and he would go to Atlanta to Edwards' factory and buy seconds. These were pies that they couldn't sell to the public. I don't know why, because they always looked perfect to me. So I guess, they had certain things. But we would go and buy them. They were about $1 or $2 a piece. Well, this was about 49 years ago. And they had this pineapple cream cheese pie. It's delicious. And we always got 2 or 3 of them, on the weekends. And Edwards quit making this pie back in the 80s. And I called their factory and I talked to the representatives, wanting the recipe, and was wanting to know if they would start making it again. They said, no, we've discontinued it. I don't know why, because it is delicious. So I'm going to make it myself so I can have it. And it's real simple. I got my cream cheese, and it's at room temperature. It has to be real soft. I've got graham cracker crust already made. This is a 9-inch, but if you want to make your own, the recipe is down in the description, but I'm just going to use that. You got a 1/2 cup of sugar, and I'm using, I'll show you, it's Jello Island Pineapple Jello. It's this right here. I got this at Fresh Value. You're going to use 3 teaspoons of that. We're just going to put it in there. Just barely a little bit of salt, not much. And then we got a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to blend it. We're going to put 2 cups of Cool Whip. We'll put that in there. Stir it around. Fold it in. Smells delicious. I love pineapple. I love anything with pineapple. Can't go wrong. Except maybe pineapple on pizza. I'll eat it, but my brother loved it. Okay. Now I've taken a can of crushed sweetened pineapple and I've drained it in a strainer. And then after that, I put it in a cloth and wring the juice out of it, because you can't have any liquid in this pineapple. And we're going to put all that pineapple in there. I'm just going to fold that in. And we're going to take our pie crust. Just put it in there. Now I'm going to put mine in the refrigerator overnight. I got my lid. Just put that on there so it won't get anything on it, any condensation or anything from the refrigerator. And when it gets ready, we'll show you what it looks like. We've got the pie out of the refrigerator. Now we're going to decorate it. You can spread Cool Whip all over the top and sprinkle some crushed graham crackers, but all I had was this Ready Whip, so that's what we're going to do. We need to shake it good. And we're going to sprinkle some graham cracker in the middle. And here's your no-bake pineapple cream cheese pie. It's going to be delicious. I just want to say thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate everyone that watches them. And even if you make my recipes, I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Down in the comments, let me know what your favorite recipe is for pineapple. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. Now, before we go, I want to make sure you have everything you need from today's recipe. I put the Walmart collection links for this recipe right down in the description so that it's easy to find. Also, head over to AuntSandy'sKitchen.com and visit Aunt Sandy's shop for all my Amazon and Walmart affiliate links I may have mentioned. And if this video really helped you, scroll down and look for the thank you button. It's called a super thanks, and it means more than you'll ever know. God bless, and we'll see you in the kitchen. And as always, God bless.